Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video, I will show you how to change default voice line on iPhone and iPad. Recently, lot of iPhone and iPad users to say how to change default voice line on iPhone. Before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now this question is how to change voice line on iPhone. Now first of all, open the settings app. Now from the settings menu, tap on the mobile data or cellular. In the mobile data, second option is tap on the default voice line to choose your voice line. Here now you can select the primary or secondary as your default line for making and receiving calls. This amazing simple way to you can easily change the voice line on iPhone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you need query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.